Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. But before we start, make sure to check out our latest software linked right below the video. Let's get right into it. This process is pretty simple, and I'll walk you through the steps using your Snapchat account. The first thing you want to do is open Snapchat on your phone. Once you're in the app, you'll notice the camera screen where you can take a photo. But for this tutorial, we won't be using the camera. Instead, we need to access the search feature. At the top left of the screen, near your profile icon, you should see a magnifying glass. Go ahead and tap on that to start the search. Now, in the search bar, type the location where you want to find nearby friends. For example, let's search for Los Angeles. Once you enter the location, look for the option that shows the place name, such as Los Angeles. Tap on that option to continue. Next, you'll see a snap related to that location. Go ahead and open it. Once the snap is open, you'll notice a user interface with options to interact with the post. To add a friend, tap on the snap again to open the details. You'll then see an icon with 3 dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on those 3 dots. If the creator has enabled the Add option for their post, you'll see a button that says Add. Simply tap on that, and you'll be able to add them as a friend. That's all there is to it. I hope this guide helps you connect with new friends on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe using the link in the description. See you in the next video.